Good afternoon. My name is Kira Florence, and today I am here to inform you about the pros and cons of passing laws favoring the use of medicinal marijuana. For those of you that are sitting wondering about how this topic pertains to you, well, you might be right. This topic may not directly relate to you, but you may know of someone who might have health-related issues, and by knowing the facts of medicinal marijuana, this information may just be a lifesaver to them. I am going to start by telling you a very interesting story about a little girl named Charlotte Fiji, a 6-year-old girl who was diagnosed with Dravet syndrome, an aggressive form of epilepsy. At the age of 1, she started to experience symptoms that were unexplainable to her parents and also to the doctors. As time passes, Charlotte was having 300 grand mal seizures a month, which is a loss of consciousness and also violent muscle contractions. Her parents did not know where to turn. Every doctor that had seen little Charlotte told them that she would grow out of her seizures. After exhausting every idea that her parents had, they turned to medicinal marijuana. The end result of this story is that after using medicinal marijuana, little Charlotte now suffers from no more than 3 mild seizures per month. An astounding outcome. Can you believe it? From 300 seizures a month to only 3 a month. Now I'm going to show you an illustration of little Charlotte. This is little Charlotte before the use of medicinal marijuana. And this is little Charlotte after the use of medicinal marijuana. Can you see the difference? I sure can. Some may think that marijuana can only be used for recreational use, but by performing research, medicinal marijuana can help ease the severity of health-related issues of such diseases as cancer, epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, and AIDS. I've done thorough research on this topic using books, magazine articles, internet research, and other publications. Experts found that medicinal marijuana can help ease symptoms of loss of appetite, nausea, pain, depression, and even insomnia. Many of you might remember our first African American U.S. Surgeon General, Dr. Joycelyn Elders. Dr. Elders wrote an article in 2004 titled Myths About Medicinal Marijuana. In essence, Dr. Elders stated that medicinal marijuana is less toxic than many of the drugs that physicians prescribe every day. She also states that its use can relieve severe symptoms and is remarkably safe. Now that I've talked about the facts, let's talk about the cons of medicinal marijuana. Marijuana can be addictive if used for recreational purposes. By conducting research, from reading between the headlines, the brain craves the drug of choice despite the negative consequences involved. Smoking marijuana recreationally may cause the addict to lose their job, savings, possibly even their home and family, because the brain relentlessly continues to crave the drug and the user will want to continue to use. Marijuana is illegal in most states. Only 22 states have legalized this drug. Can you believe that this drug is still illegal from most states, even though there is proven research evidence that medicinal marijuana helps sick patients? Now let's go into the pros. There are no stated facts that anyone has ever died of an overdose of using medicinal marijuana. No red flags there, you guys. In fact, medicinal marijuana may be viable treatment for depression. Now let me give you my final thought. The topic medicinal marijuana has always been a controversial topic, especially for those who thought that the use of medicinal marijuana is only for recreational use. But with research, medicinal marijuana will also ease symptoms of various cancers and other related diseases. Thank you.